Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Bright Media. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most common questions I get asked: how much can you really earn from YouTube? As a creator, it's important to understand how the YouTube monetization system works and how much money you can realistically expect to make. In this video, we'll be discussing the factors that determine your YouTube earnings, and some strategies for maximizing your earnings potential. Section 1: Understanding YouTube monetization. Before we dive into the specifics of YouTube earnings, let's first discuss the basics of YouTube monetization. YouTube monetization is the process of earning money from your YouTube channel through ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and other revenue streams. To monetize your channel, you need to meet certain eligibility requirements, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you're eligible for monetization, you can start earning money through the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows you to monetize your videos through ads, and earn a share of the revenue generated by those ads. YouTube takes a percentage of the ad revenue, and the remaining percentage is split between you and any other parties who have a claim to your video. Section 2: Factors that determine your YouTube earnings. Now that you understand the basics of YouTube monetization, let's discuss the factors that determine your YouTube earnings. 1. Ad revenue. The primary factor that determines your YouTube earnings is ad revenue. 1. The amount of money you earn from ads depends on a variety of factors, such as the number of views your videos get, the types of ads that are displayed, and the geographic location of your viewers. 1. Generally, the more views your videos get, the more ad revenue you can expect to earn. 2. Engagement metrics. Engagement metrics like watch time, likes, and comments can also impact your YouTube earnings. 2. The more engagement your videos get, the higher your videos will rank in YouTube search results, which can lead to more views and more ad revenue. 3. Niche and audience. The niche you're in and the audience you're targeting can also impact your YouTube earnings. 3. Some niches, like beauty and gaming, tend to have higher ad rates than others. 3. Similarly, if you have a highly engaged and targeted audience, you may be able to attract more lucrative sponsorships and brand deals. 4. CPM. CPM, or cost per thousand impressions, is the amount of money you earn per 1,000 ad impressions. 4. CPM rates can vary widely depending on a variety of factors, such as the advertiser's budget, the time of year, and the type of ad being displayed. 4. Generally, CPM rates are higher for ads that are targeted to specific audiences or that are displayed on premium content. Section 3: Strategies for maximizing your YouTube earnings. Now that you understand the factors that determine your YouTube earnings, let's discuss some strategies for maximizing your earnings potential. 1. Increase your views. One of the most effective ways to increase your YouTube earnings is to increase your views. 1. The more views your videos get, the more ad revenue you can expect to earn. 1. To increase your views, focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. 2. Focus on engagement. As we discussed earlier, engagement metrics like watch time, likes, and comments can also impact your YouTube earnings. 2. Focus on creating content that encourages engagement, such as asking questions, responding to comments, and creating interactive content like polls or quizzes. 3. Diversify your revenue streams. While ad revenue is the primary revenue stream for most YouTubers, there are other revenue streams you can explore to maximize your earnings potential. 3. For example, you can sell merchandise, offer paid subscriptions or memberships, or seek out sponsorships or brand deals. 3. Diversifying your revenue streams can help ensure that you're not solely reliant on ad revenue, which can be unpredictable. 4. Focus on SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your videos for search engines like YouTube. 4. By optimizing your videos for SEO, you can increase your chances of appearing in YouTube search results, which can lead to more views and more ad revenue. 4. Some tips for optimizing your videos for SEO include using targeted keywords in your video titles and descriptions, creating high-quality thumbnails, and using tags to categorize your videos. 5. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other creators in your niche can help you reach new audiences and increase your views and engagement. 5. Additionally, collaborating with other creators can also help you attract sponsorships and brand deals, which can be lucrative revenue streams. Section 4, Realistic Earnings Expectations. Now that we've discussed the factors that determine your YouTube earnings and some strategies for maximizing your earnings potential, let's talk about realistic earnings expectations. The truth is, the amount of money you can earn from YouTube varies widely depending on a variety of factors. According to a study by Influencer Marketing Hub, the average YouTuber earns around 1 cent to 3 cents per view. This means that if you have a video that gets 100,000 views, you can expect to earn around $1,000 to $3,000 from ad revenue. However, it's important to keep in mind that these are just averages, and your earnings can vary widely depending on the factors we discussed earlier. Additionally, earning money from YouTube requires a significant amount of time and effort. Creating high-quality content, optimizing your videos for SEO, and building a loyal audience all take time and effort. So, how much can you really earn from YouTube? The truth is, it varies widely depending on a variety of factors, including ad revenue, engagement metrics, niche, and audience. However, by focusing on creating high-quality content, optimizing your videos for SEO, and diversifying your revenue streams, you can maximize your earnings potential. Ultimately, earning money from YouTube requires a significant amount of time and effort, but it can be a lucrative and rewarding career for those who are willing to put in the work. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or tips of your own, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.